Alright, today I'm going to be making ramen noodles with beef chorizo, hot dog meat, bologna, and to make it healthy, cabbage. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ramen noodles and open the ramen noodles and put only a little bit of the seasoning inside of the water. Don't want to put all of it because I'm trying not to add too much salt to my diet. So I put about a quarter of the seasoning in there. After I've done that, I'm going to take the beef and I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of the beef into the pot. And this is going to cook just like that, and it's going to come out really nice. All right? So I'm going to put that in there. And you know what? I'm going to throw a little bit of green onion. And then I'm going to cut up some hot dog meat as well as the bologna. All right? So cut the hot dog meat up in slants. Place that in here. Got the hot dog meat in there, and then slice up the bologna into strips like that. And then I'm going to place the ramen noodles inside of the boiling hot water. Absolute goodness. So I'm going to place this inside, and that's going to start to cook. And while that's cooking, I'm just going to stir it a little bit. Now, it's important that the sausage get cooked all the way through, that it's all the way cooked. But as it cooks, it's going to release some of the flavor into the ramen noodles and into the bologna and hot dog meat. All right, so that's going on. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of cabbage on top. Now, this is right here. I'm trying to add a little bit of cabbage on top because I'm trying to eat more vegetables in my food. I'm just going to keep that in there. Toss away the trash a little bit. And then I'm going to zoom in so you guys can get a better look at what is going on right here. So I'm going to zoom in. All right, zoom in right there so you can see all of like what's going on right here. See, the ramen noodles is cooking. Now I want to cook the ramen noodles until it's al dente, so I'm going to flip it so it cooks evenly. Don't want it to be halfway cooked. And then I'm going to stir around the hot dog meat, the bologna, and the chorizo. All right, so get that in there. I'm going to go ahead and grab another type of utensil. So I can get in there a little bit better. Get this, got my thongs, and then I'm just going to raise the ramen noodles and just break them up a little bit. And this will assist with cooking them evenly. Absolute goodness. So got that in there. The cabbage is cooking. The bologna is cooking. The hot dog meat is cooking. Look at the hot dog meat. I have right on there, on the thongs, I have hot dog meat with a little bit of cabbage in there, sitting in there, smelling great. It's almost done. In about another 25 seconds, this should be done. All right, let me check up on the sausage, the Mexican sausage. It's in there. You see pieces of it have broken apart. It's cooking quite nicely. A lot of the flavors getting all in there. Smelling great. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so you can come up to the screen and perhaps smell it. Can you smell the flavor? I'm going to add a little bit of spice to it. Right here I have some spicy sauces. I'm going to add some of the spicy sauce to it. That's going to add a little bit of flavor to it. I'm just going to take my thongs, and it should be done. The noodle should be done. The sausage should be done. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Let me back up a little bit. Look at that. Look at that. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.